Michael.
Oh, LCM is
I'll do this quick.
XY.
X, yeah, you can put X, Y, you can put all three of them. X, Y, 1, but you're right, X, Y is enough. So divide X into it and you have 1 Y left. 1 times Y is Y, Y times 4. Divide Y in, you're left with 1X. 1X times 2?
2x.
2X. Divide 1 in, XY.
5xy.
5xy. X is the subject, that means that X is the thing that you want to keep on the left hand side. So move that X over there. 5xy minus 2x. And then we do factorizing. We take the X, take an X out of both of them. 5y minus 2. Alright, and now we divide both sides. This is the thing, we want to get rid of this. So divide both sides by that. 5y minus 2 divided by 5y minus 2. That's the answer. So xi, and the next one. Y is the subject of this. Y is the thing that we have to isolate and make it singular. 2 is 2 over 1. And again, same idea. Michael, what's the LCM? Again?
XY.
Alright. So divide Y in there and you have 1x left. 1x times 2 is 2x.
Yeah.
Divide x in, I'm left with 1y times 3.
Plus 3y.
Well done. And divide 1 in there, and I'm left with xy times 2. 2xy.
Yeah.
No, I don't need that bit there now. Okay, so I'm making y the subject, so I'll move all the y's, everything that contains a y, put it on one side. I want to isolate the y, so take y out of both of them, factorize. Now I want to get rid of 2x minus 3. Okay, I see the slip. Go ahead. So y is equal to that. So that's xii. Two over a minus 1 over b is equal to 5, which is 5 over 1. Make b the subject of it. So again, the LCM is a times b times 1. Same as before. Right, divide a into this and I've left with 1b times 2. Just write the b's in red. Divide b into this and we're left with 1a times 1. It's still 1a. Divide 1 into this and I'm left with ab. ab times 5. 5ab. Now rub out a bit. And I want to move all the b's to one side. 5a. b, move the plus 2b across. It's a minus 2b. Right, now I factorize. Take the b out of both of them. Alright, I want to get rid of 5a minus 2, so divide by 5a minus 2. Five a minus 2 divided by 5a minus 2 is 1. 1 times b is b. The next one, xiv. Five over 3b minus 2 over c is equal to 1 over 3. Alright, So I could do exactly the same thing if I want to. I can go 3b times c times 3. There's no problem doing that. Yeah. So I can just put these three things underneath. That makes it easier. I can just do that if I want. Right. So divide 3b into it. I'm left with 3c times 5. 15. I can put smaller in here if I wanted to. Right, so c into this. I'm left with 3 times 3b, which is 9b plus 2, or times 2, 18b. And 3 into this, I'm left with 3b times c. So 3bc times 1. 3bc. Okay, forget about the bottom line now. Anything containing a c, move to the one side. Three b, that's a c. Move the plus 15c across. Alright, what can we take out? This time we could take out c, but there's more. We can take out more. What can we take out? Well, I'll tell you what, we want to isolate the c, so we'll just take out the c. We'll just take out the c. So what are we doing? We're dividing by, what's left? 3b minus 15. Okay, and final step, divide both sides by 3b minus 15. Over here. Same as before, same steps, exactly the same result. Only there's one, in this case, there's one way I can tidy up a bit more. What number will divide into all of those? 3 will divide into all of those. So I can just tidy it up. So 3 into 18. Right, 6, when I think about 9. 6b. And 3 into 3 goes once. 3 into 15 goes 5. I can tidy it up like that. So I can tidy it up at the end. Okay, that answer would still be fully correct anyway. And the next one. XV. Alright, in this case I'll just write P. P is P over 1, so I'll write P up beside 3. And T is T over 1, so I'll write the T up beside the 1. So T times 1 is T. Alright, so LCM. So I can do it exactly the same way, and I can tidy up at the end. Just keep it simple. So, and not to confuse anything. So divide 2, hide one of the 2's, what's left? 2r times 3p. 2 times 3 is 6 pr. What's that not? Divide r into this. What's left? 2 times 2 is 4 times 1 is 4. Divide 2 into this. What's left? 2r times t. 2rt. Alright. Delete the bottom bit. The subject of this is r. Just write that in red. Alright. Anything containing an r needs to go to the same side. So I'll move the minus 2tr across here. Plus 2rt plus 6pr is equal to 4. Right, so the r's, again I'll write them in red. Pick out the r from the brackets. Or what's left? 2t plus 6p is equal to 4. Divide both sides by, I want to get rid of this and leave r on its own. So what I do to the left, I have to do to the right of the equals. So 2t plus 6p divided by 2t plus 6p is equal to 1. 1 times r is r. So r is equal to this. What number will divide into all of those? To tidy it up, number 2. 2 into 4 goes twice. 2 into 2 goes once, that's 1t. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, 3p. So I can tidy up at the end.